Home Depot Affiliate Program Tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can join the Home Depot Affiliate Program. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is open your browser and kindly go to homedepot.com, or you can simply click the link on the description below. And you will be directed at this page, in which from here it will show you the details about this platform. And if you don't know Home Depot, it is one of the largest and most well-known home improvement and construction supply retail chains in the United States and several other countries, in which it has grown to become a leading destination for consumers and professionals seeking tools, building materials, home improvement products, and various services related to home and construction projects. So some of the features that this platform offers including retail stores, product selection, professional services, e-commerce, home services, DIY resources, and many more. So basically, Home Depot is a go-to destination for a wide range of home improvement and construction needs. Whether you're a homeowner embarking on a DIY project or a professional contractor seeking supplies and services. However, on this platform, we're not here to purchase a product on Home Depot, but rather we're here to use this product in earning money using their affiliate program. And in order to do that, just go to the footer section of this platform and proceed by clicking affiliate program option below. And you will be directed on this page, in which from here, it will show you the overview on how to become an affiliate of Home Depot. As you can see, we have the two options, which is the Home Depot Affiliate Program and Home Depot Installation Program, in which these two programs you can earn money by simply joining to their installation program or affiliate program. However, the only difference is that Home Depot Installation Program is for contractors who offer installation services to customers who purchase products from Home Depot, while Home Depot Affiliate Program is for website owners who want to earn commissions on qualified sales they referred to homedepot.com. And the Home Depot Affiliate Program offers a generous commission on products, customizable affiliate dashboards, and a variety of banner ads and text links. And also the program also has 3 tiers with commission rates up to 6.5% per sale. And aside from that, if you scroll down below here, you'll be able to see the FAQ, or the frequently asked question, about the affiliate program of Home Depot. And you will see below each question is the corresponding answer. And those questions including what marketing tools are provided by the Home Depot, and also does it cost me anything to join the Home Depot affiliate network? And it will show you in the first question the answer is that they provide a wide variety of banner ads and text links. While for the second question is that no, the Home Depot affiliate network is free to join. So you will not cost anything to join the Home Depot affiliate program. And aside from that, you will also see here other kind of question that you could also see its corresponding answer. For instance, this question, how much will I earn? And you will see the answer that the Home Depot offers a generous commission rates including 8% on a select home decor products, 1% on appliances, 1% on products, mobile, and buy online, pick up in-store orders. While for the Home Depot installation program features flexible paid and performance-based commission options starting between $20 to $200 per qualified lead submissions. And aside from that, you could also see here the cookie duration, in which for Home Depot affiliate program, it is only 1-day commission, while for Home Depot installation program, it is a 30-day commission. And you can access reports or track your earnings updated daily that provided information on impression, click-throughs, and commission earned through impact radius. And now that we know some of the details that we need to consider before joining to the affiliate program of Home Depot, the next thing that we need to do is to simply clicking this button in order to join to the affiliate program. And by clicking the sign up button right here, you will be directed on this page. And from here, all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information to complete this application, including your personal info, first name, last name, email address, username, your password, and also your company info, such as account display name, your website URL, country, your address, city, phone number, and other details. And aside from that, if you scroll down below here, all you need to do is to scroll down under the agreement, in which from here it will show you some of the things that you need to consider before joining to the Home Depot affiliate program. And after filling out all of the required information, just proceed by clicking the Submit Application button right here, and you will be directed on impact.com. But before that, if you don't know impact.com, it is a technology platform that specializes in performance marketing and affiliate marketing solutions, in which it offers a suite of products and services designed to help businesses, advertisers, and publishers manage, track, and optimize their marketing efforts, particularly in their performance and marketing space. And now to sign in, just click the sign in button on the top right corner, and you will be directed on this page. And all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information, and after signing in, you will be directed on this page. And from here, you could also sign up using your Apple ID, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and even your Google account. And you will be proceed on this dashboard of impact.com. And from here, it will show you review the Home Depot insertion order, in which you will see here the payout details of Home Depot affiliate program, the schedule, the qualified referrals, the general terms and condition, and many more. And from here, just scroll down until you find this button that says, I approve the contract and want to continue, in which by simply clicking on it, you will be directed in here. And from here, it will show you that your application has been submitted. But as you can see, since we did not input or enter additional information on this page, you will see that on this platform, it says here that the account did not meet the application criteria and was auto-rejected. So make sure that before you go to impact.com, you must fill out all of the required information. And after submitting your application, all you need to do is to wait for them to respond if you're eligible to be part of the affiliate program. And if you are, you will be able to get here the tracker link that you can use in promoting the Home Depot platform and products. And there are other ways that you could also do in promoting some of the products of Home Depot, including by posting on social media such as on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also by posting on TikTok, YouTube, and some other platform that you can boost your traffic sources on Home Depot affiliate program, such as by posting on YouTube some of the videos like this showcase some of the product of Home Depot, and you can input or enter the link below the description that will be directed the customers or the viewers to your product that you want to promote. And aside from that, you could also make a video unboxing some of the product that shows the values of it, or compare the product of Home Depot to other brands, and just enter or attach the link or tracker link of the product that you are promoting from Home Depot. And after that, if the customers try to purchase a product from your affiliate link, you will be able to get a commission and earn money. And your balances of commission will be reflected on your impact.com account, and you could also withdraw it from there. So that is just how you can join the Home Depot affiliate program. Thank you.